Checking the Taco Bell gift card balance is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, visit the Taco Bell website. Look for a gift cards or card balance section. Then, enter your gift card number and PIN if required. Follow the on-screen instructions to check your balance. Now, visit a Taco Bell restaurant. After that, ask a cashier or staff member to check the balance for you. Provide them with your gift card. Now, call Taco Bell's customer service at the number provided on their website. Follow the automated prompts or speak to a representative. Then, provide your gift card number and PIN if requested. If Taco Bell has a mobile app, check whether there's a check balance option within the app. Then, enter your gift card details to view the balance. If you made a purchase with your Taco Bell gift card and have the receipt, it may contain information about the remaining balance.